Hey guys, Amateur Fireworks here. I have a video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a review of Sure Shot. It's like $1 and it's really small, so I'm expecting it to be kind of crappy, but here it goes. I'm actually going to have to hold this down with something. Stay with me. Get some bricks. That'll work. There's a spider right there. I hope it doesn't bite me. Alright, this is Sure Shot by Dominator Fireworks, I think. Again, it was $1, so I mean, I'm not expecting it to be great. Alright guys, that was Sure Shot by Dominator Fireworks. It was pretty good for its price. Here's the aftermath. Sure Shot. 19 shots. All of them went off. Alright guys, see you later.